What's up, Greens and Cornbread family? We are back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today I am going to be making my famous dumplings, pork dumplings. Y'all, I love me some Chinese takeout. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Here, you guys, I'm going to be adding some onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper, ground ginger, some sesame seed oil, rice vinegar, and some low sodium soy sauce. Also, you guys, I do not recommend buying the cabbage in the bag. Like, it was just so disgusting to me. I would never put that in my egg rolls again. I'm sorry, I don't mean to, but no, I'm not putting it in my stuff again. I would just get a regular whole head of cabbage and cut it freshly. I had so much fun folding these. Now, I'm gonna be honest, it's a little bit, difficult. You gotta play with a couple for a minute, but when I fold it into like this little, I don't know, it's like a square, but like a cute little square. Like, I really like that design other than the first one, because the tucking, you gotta be skilled to do that. See, this is that little square I was talking about. Like, I absolutely did this with ease. Like, this a little Wutan square thing, so of course it was easy. But the tucking, I think I'm gonna have it down packed, because I was trying to tuck like both of the like lids, and I think you're supposed to leave the back like straight, and then you're just supposed to fold the edges of what's in front of you. I mean, I don't know if you guys understand that, but hey. Alrighty, so now we're about to get this pan hot with the sesame oil, and we're going to add our dumplings, and we're going to let them fry on medium heat for about 7 minutes. And then I'm going to pour in a little bit of water so I can steam them, because I did not want pan-seared dumplings. I wanted them to be steamed because I just like it, and I understand a lot of y'all want that crunch. But I just didn't want that today, so this is what we're doing today. So right here I'm making the little dipping sauce. It turned out perfect. I'm cutting up some green onions, and I'm going to add the rice wine vinegar, sesame seed oil, sesame seeds, red pepper flakes, soy sauce. Everything I basically added in the mixture of the dumpling filling is what I'm going to put in the sauce. And I'm going to add a little sugar, which is the secret ingredient. These turned out perfect. Oh my goodness, they were so good. My husband said they tasted just like authentic Chinese food. I could feel where he's coming from. Yes, you definitely need to try this recipe. You will not regret it. So right here I'm just adding some chili sauce. This chili sauce is a little spicy, but I love it. Also, I just want to thank everybody from the Greens and Cornbread family for watching and engaging in this video. Before you go, make sure you like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified once we drop videos again. Thank you so much for engaging, Greens and Cornbread family. See you next time. We out.